Having people over at home for parties is a lot of fun, but it can be a daunting task in the kitchen. I have come up with a few solutions that cater to both diet-conscious people as well as takes care of your kitchen problems. Come and see my easy Tawa potato canapes. So I've already got my parboiled mini potatoes. I'm just going to cut them into half and scoop out a little bit to make a little boat. Start both the burners. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the pan for the potatoes, and I'm going to add my potatoes face down. I'm going to add the white sesame seeds to the other hot pan. And now my black sesame seeds. Just roast slightly. You'll know they're done when they start to pop. I'm going to pour out my sesame seed. I'm going to chop my onion. Just do it roughly. I'm going to place it into my mixer. I'm going to add melon seeds, sunflower seeds. I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves, a handful of olives, a handful of capers, 3 or 4 whole pepper, and a few sprigs of thyme, and then the zest of 1 lemon, and then the juice. Squeeze it in, and a few spoons of olive oil. And now I'm going to cover it and give it a few pulses in the mixer. I'm going to pour my mixture into the same pan. Give it a little stir and let the paste cook. I'm going to flip my potatoes around now. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt into the filling mixture. And I think this is done. We'll switch off the gas. I'm going to add the mixture to the sesames. Just give it a mix. Plate up my potatoes, so I'm just going to lay them out. This is the third and final component of this dish, a yogurt sauce. Now all good things take some time. Some thick Greek yogurt, a bit of dried oregano, some salt, a little bit of pepper, and last but not least, some lemon zest. Just going to give it a stir. So I'm going to place some of this mixture first. A sprinkle of the black and white sesame seeds. Like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. Now my guests will be here any minute, so I'll see you later in the next episode.